Sometimes one well-designed element is enough to turn an ordinary yard into a place you want to spend time in. This wooden deck built between the trees becomes a natural relaxation zone. Swings and loungers create a calm and private garden corner. The mix of wood, brick, and plants turns a simple wall into a visual accent. This kind of detail adds character and depth to the garden. These uniquely shaped wooden chairs immediately stand out. They work both as design features and comfortable outdoor seating. This built-in wooden bench follows the shape of the slope naturally. Cushions make it a comfortable spot for quiet outdoor rest. A woven structure made of natural branches creates shade and privacy. Over time, it can blend even more into the surrounding greenery. A compact stone pond adds movement and the sound of water. Even a small water feature makes the garden feel more alive. A long wooden bench along the fence saves space and looks clean. It works well for narrow areas and walkways. This transparent dome gazebo protects from wind and rain without blocking light. It allows you to enjoy the garden in almost any weather. A small deck with a simple table creates a cozy outdoor seating area. Large decorative planters add personality and visual interest. A wooden trellis helps bring greenery onto vertical surfaces. Climbing plants soften the wall and add natural texture. A circular lawn creates a clear focal point in the garden. Defined edges make the space look tidy and well organized. Decorative openings turn the fence into a design element. Flower beds at the base add depth and color. Raised wooden beds make plant care easier and look neat. Gravel paths improve drainage and keep the area clean after rain. A branch arch visually separates garden zones and guides movement. Over time, it can grow into a fully green living structure. A garden is shaped by thoughtful details, not by size. Save the ideas you liked and adapt them to your own space.